Good afternoon, everyone. And here are the answers for the 6 questions. So question number 1, 202, take away 10 or subtract 10 minus 10. I'd recommend putting it into a formal method. And then we start to subtract from the smallest digit. So 2 take away 0 is 2. 0 take away 1, well, we can't do because the bottom number is larger than the top. So we borrow from next door. 2 becomes a 1 and the 0 becomes a 10. 10 take away 1 is 9. And then we drop our 1 down because there's nothing to take away from it. So 192 is your answer. Question number 2. Again, I'd recommend using the formal method. We're adding 2 numbers together now. So please ensure that you write the operation, to draw the little symbol to the left of the formal method, just to help you remember what operation you are performing. So 9 plus 0 is 9, 5 plus 0 is 5, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So your answer is 1059. Question number 3, you're adding these 3 fractions together. Now they've all got the same denominator, so we can go ahead and add them. So we add up all of these numerators. So 7 plus 3 is 10, and then 10 plus 4 is 14. So you're left with 14 over 9 because the denominator stays the same. Now what we're left with is an improper fraction. What I would be looking for a lot of you to be doing is converting that into a mixed number. So we look at how many of the denominator goes into the numerator. So 14 divided by 9 is 1. So 1 times 9 is 9. You take that away from the 14, it gives you your remainder. So we've got a remainder 5. And our remainder becomes our new numerator. And the denominator always stays the same. So you could have 14 over 9 or 1 whole and 5 ninths as a mixed number. Okay, 21 divided by 7. So we're seeing how many 7s are in 21. Well, if we do our 7 times table, 7, 14, 21, there are 3 7s in 21. So 3 is your answer. For this one, the answer box is in front of the number problem. So again, using your formal method, you can very easily work out the answer. So I'm going to just line up the digits in the correct place value. And I'm going to start subtracting from the smallest digit. So 7 take away 9, we can't do. So we go next door to borrow from here. So 7 becomes 6, and that 7 becomes a 17. So 17 take away 9 is then 8. 6 take away 2 is 4. 4 take away 9 we can't do, so we borrow again, we exchange. 14 take away 9 is 5, and then 3 take away nothing is 3. So 3,548 is your answer. Okay, moving on to our final question. 2.01, subtract 0.7, line the decimal points up. Got to put in a placeholder if you need to. Draw your line below. So 1 take away 0 is 1. 0 take away 7 we can't do, so we've got to borrow, we've got to exchange again. The 10 take away 7 is now 3. Put your decimal point in, and 1 take away 0 is 1. So 1.37 is your 1.31 is your answer, sorry. So here are the answers on the screen now. Pause it, double check it, go through the workings if there's any incorrect ones. Well done, guys. We're halfway through the week. It is Wednesday, believe it or not. Got another couple of days of learning. Oh, sorry, no, just one more day of learning. And then bank holiday, Friday, VE day. It's in a couple of days' time, so please make sure you're doing the topic work that we set you and celebrate VE day in some way, by either listening to 1940s music or baking something with your family, making a celebratory banner or bunting or whatever you like, whatever you want to do. That's up to you, but I would mark the celebration in some way. Okay, so well done, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow morning for another 6 questions.